Hello and welcome back. And I had to save the box and show this. This is from Corning and Pyrex. I ordered multiple items, some in boxes, some loose, and I'll show all the pieces. I've never been so impressed with a packing and protection shipping in my life. So there's multiple layers of this bubble wrap. There's multiple layers of this new paper that wraps around it and is waffled for protection. So again, kudos to Pyrex and Corning on the packaging. Now I'll get everything out and show it individually. So here is everything out of the box. And again, these three pieces were in another box that had even more packaging. Everything came in great shape, great condition. And the whole reason for this purchase was this green bowl. I love it so much, and I'll share how and why I use it. So the lids were just a bonus for me. I would maybe store, something overnight in the fridge, maybe a potato salad, summer salad, maybe my gluten-free mixes like brownies or waffles or pancakes or something. So this box is great at telling sizes and dimensions. And of course, it's freezer safe, it's fridge safe, it's microwave safe, and it can have a little bit of reheated oven use. And then the other side of the box is great at giving dimensions like cup sizes and dimensions. So I won't bore everybody with that, but it always helps me if I have something to put it in perspective, like if somebody put a bunch of bananas in here or something. So I can share this bowl in the middle, the green one. This is what I do all my brownie mixes in. So a whole box of brownie mix or waffles or pancake mix, or I've made the biscuit mix in this. So to give an idea, that's the cardboard that came in it. Here's a full-size whisk. Here's a full-size spatula. Here's the 1 cup measuring cup. So hopefully that helps better with perspective. So take that now. See how much more space is in the big one. Plenty of space in the big one. And the little one is really indeed little. Okay, so again, this one will take a whole cake mix, a whole brownie mix, a whole pancake mix. That easily does that for me. So some more dimensions. These were the Corelle or by Corning, made in the USA. And I know they give dimensions, but again, they told me it was just about 6 inches wide, right? Look at my hand. Here's a fork. Okay, so this is like put 1 brownie on here. I'm not sure even a slice of pie would fit. This is more like a biscuit plate, a saucer for a cup, something like that. I love it. Again, it can go in the fridge, the microwave. It's a perfect dessert size. It's just little, so hopefully that helps. And the last item is this Corningware, the French white with the scalloped edges. And again, I love it comes with the lid. Really good for the fridge. So again, for size, there's the fork. This would be a decent soup bowl, right? Only it's shallow. So again, microwave. This one is preheat oven safe and dishwasher. So I am very happy with everything, and it came in great shape, and the packaging was fantastic, and I highly recommend it all. I like it a lot. Hope that helped.